The best of Nottingham awaits at Radford House, a truly exceptional stay boasting the perfect blend of affordability and convenience. Take your pick from a selection of luxe studio apartments, each designed and furnished to exceed your expectations. Unwind in your leisure time with in-room entertainment options including a smart TV, comfy bed, dedicated study space, fully equipped private kitchenette, and a clean ensuite bathroom. But that's not all. Unwind in your leisure time in the common lounge and binge watch your favorite movie in the in-house center room. Plus, excel in your academic pursuits with a quiet study and stay in the best stay at the 24/7 on-site gym. To top it off, utility bills included in the rent, saving you a significant amount of money. Speaking of location, Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University are both a short ride away, ensuring your academic pursuits are well within reach. On weekends, residents can sip on freshly brewed coffee at Cafe Nor Sandwich and Breakfast Bar, sample divine sushi rolls at Yo Nottingham, or enjoy a rustic Italian meal at La Pizza e Pasta della Mamma. Moreover, iconic Nottingham attractions such as the impressive City of Caves and the magical Nottingham Castle are just a short ride away, catering to those with a penchant for exploration and history. So, what are you waiting for? Head straight to amberstudent.com and book your perfect stay at Radford House Nottingham today.